Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for dropshipping. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm going to start with a product research. To do that I'm going to ask products with high profit margins for dropshipping. So let's write that down and let's hit enter to get an answer. So here's our answers. You can select any of these. So I'm going to select fitness equipment and I'm going to ask best fitness equipment to sell as a follow-up question. And here's our answer. And as ChatGPT said, you need to find something niche to sell. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select resistance band. This time let's learn who buys them. So I'm going to write that down to define a target market. And here's our target markets. So I'm going to select travelers as our main target, but we don't have a brand name. So let's ask that as well. And here's our name suggestions. Roaming fit sounds nice. And finally, let's write a user testimonial. And here's our user testimonial. And as you can see, it's so easy. And feel free to use different follow-up questions to create a whole marketing plan. But that's basically how to use ChatGPT for dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.